turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using multi-grip pliers, squeeze the two edges of the hose clamp to free it from its holding. You can now separate the inlet conduit. Unplug the connector on the airflow meter. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the two holding screws on the airbox flange. Lift the back of the flange, which should free up the 4 retaining tabs. Remove the hose located on the back of the flange, then remove it. Now extract it. Take out the air filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Put the filter back in place. Ensure that the rubber washer is correctly placed in position. Place the flange in the retaining tabs and reconnect the hose. Rescrew the two holding screws. Plug the connector back on the airflow meter. Using multi-grip pliers, put the air inlet conduit back, then the hose clamp. Operation completed.